Hello, hello, hello! Doc Bryce here!
Hi everyone! So, nandito tayo ngayon ulit and we would like to invite you on the National Low Carb Day 2024. And of course, yung pinakamamahal nating low carb pediatrician, triathlon, at kung ano-ano pa, the super amazing Doc Brian Castillo is gonna be with us also on the National Low Carb Day. Doc Brian, ano bang i-expect natin sa National Low Carb Day with you and which station will you be in case meron silang tanong?
Yes,
Or kung sila magpa-picture lang sa'yo?
yes, nandun po ako dun sa strict low carb. So, kung may mga health conditions, eto dapat sa inyo. Strict at meron naka-monitor na doctor and a coach. And of course, pag-uusapan natin how to do that, lalo na sa mga health conditions ninyo.
So, if you have questions, Doc Fry will be there. So, don't miss this opportunity na makita ninyo at makahubilo and even stay up close and personal sa mga beloved nating
Correct.
coaches, advocates, educators, and even doctors like Doc Brian Castillo. So, Doc Brian, invite natin sila.
Yes, kung gusto nyo makita yung mga poging-poging mga doktor, mga coaches, mga vlogger na low carber, punta po kayo dyan. Huwag kayong mahiya, lumapit lang po kayo and ask and picture.
Salamat! We'll see you then!